Alright, man, y'all see this Scat, man. This is the next day after I got the headers installed. If you didn't see a video, go check it out. Went pretty crazy. Started the car up. It did shoot flames, man. Something crazy. Also, it's already on my Instagram. That's what I'm telling you. If you're not following car Instagram, you're missing out, because I already posted pretty much a lot of that headers footage, but it's still a lot that's gonna be in the video that you've seen, if you've seen it already. But if you're not following car Instagram, go follow that, because that's where everything go first. YouTube stuff comes second, man. Y'all see it like little drip. But so I got here last night. The car been sitting here pretty much the whole time. I haven't started it up, so it's gonna be the first ever cold start, man, with the headers on here, full scrape pipe headers. So now, it was super loud yesterday. I know it's about to be super loud right now. See, we Blue Park, man, Blue Park. I'm about to check. I already checked out my hotel. So now, when you do get headers installed, it does throw on a check engine light. So I can't remote start it, which is fine right now because I am getting the car tuned in a couple weeks. But also, I'm about to rev it anyway, so I'm just go ahead and get in the car, start it up so y'all can hear it, man. Set this camera right here. Hopefully it don't blow the camera over, man. Shit about to be wild. Alright, man, so y'all just seen, I didn't finish that video up that I was doing in California, but y'all seen the cold start, man. It was pretty loud, but now it's even colder. I got my son right here. He ain't heard the car yet. I don't know what he was doing when I came in last night, but I'm about to start the car out. That's how I left it outside. I didn't even take it in the garage because I'm telling you, this shit about to be loud. Now neighbors about to be mad, man. Aiden, you ready? Stand right here. Okay. Right there. Don't move.
You could have legit bust his ears out.
Boy, if you don't get
in mine too, I put this on my life. It was a fucking ring and it's still ringing. You don't, and then you got him standing behind the car and that shit is literally loud. Like when you started it up, that could hurt his ears. Don't ever do that.
First off, I don't know how loud it is, and it's not that loud.
I know. Let me leave you. Let me start it, and you stand behind it.
Be louder than that.
I know. No, they don't.
Y'all see we got the Scat, man. So if you don't know, you see it, man. We got Hermit Graphics. That's why I got all my decals and work done on my car, all my stickers and stuff. So I was at RTV Exhaust a couple days ago, got my exhaust work done. Now if you don't know, if you get something done there, he will give you a free sticker. But you know I got a whole color scheme. So he didn't have the colors I wanted, so I'm about to get something added to the back. And that's gonna be pretty much it, man. But if y'all haven't already, make sure you go back and watch the past videos. Got a whole bunch of content. You see, I've been dropping videos pretty much every single day. And I'm just up here to get the sticker and show y'all what else they got in here. Y'all see a little Deadpool joint. Got a Scat thing over here, boy. Light. Go mango. This color go perfect with that gold mango. This brass monkey joints. I don't know, these reps are real, but you see it say SRT on there. Oh, Rainbows. Maybe those legit. I see one with the Scat logo. The honeycomb joint on there. Like, you know, like, ain't messing with mine, so it's cool. Looks like they pretty much done, man. Getting done. But anyway, man, I'm gonna show y'all what the little sticker look like when I get done with it, man. Nothing too crazy.
To the second one.
Look, was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice, I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Police storm at me, charges never stick. Fucking niggas up in Vegas, like pocket 96, 11 past 11.